Hi guys, Loaning Gamer 345 here, and we are playing Color Switch yet again. Apparently it's the fidget spinner update, because there's fidget spinners around here, and there's a new game mode called Fidget Spinner. We're going to be doing this new mode here, which is called Fidget Spinner. I don't know why there's apparently this is pretty much the only thing that includes fidget spinners. Oh jeez. Sorry about that. I had a notification. Whoa! I wasn't expecting it to go 2 times. Whoa! I keep tapping the screen too many times. I'm not going with a face cam because apparently it lags the video, so it still may be a little laggy because reasons, technical difficulties. But I like this fidget spinner mode, pretty cool. Here we go. Whoop. This level's creative. Oh, that was close. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I like that thing with the free of the circle things. Oh, geez, ads, lid cookies. Yay, I'm not gonna get it. Never. Never. Nope. Back to the game. There we go. Whoa! Oh, this is different. That was different. Cool though. Oh! Yes, I'm the beast. Here we go. What? I didn't tap the screen. I did not tap the screen. That's cheating. It just went by itself. Oh, it's getting. What the heck? What is that? That's not. Oh my gosh. Another ad. Here we go. It gets smaller every time. That last one is so small though. I don't know how you do it. Jeez. Oh! Okay. It looks like that real fidget spinner is like at the end of every level. Whoa! Oh, I thought I was gonna get hit by that. What is this? Yes! That was weird. Oh, whoa, what is no? What is that? Come on! This is way too hard. Yes! Yes, I'm so good at this. An ad. It's the same thing. What's the point of showing it again if I already told you I'm not gonna play?
Oh, come on.
Mind that. That was my little buffer. Oh! Whoa! That's something. Oh! No, this is not. No, this isn't. Oh, that one's easy. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit the wall right there. Oh, this is. Yes. Okay, this one's easy. Ooh! Yeah! The best ever. Whoa. Oh. Oh! Nope, that was bad. Oh! Oh, that was awesome. I could have done it right there. I'm trying to get past it. No! Yeah, what's the point of it saying, watch an ad? Oh my gosh. If you want to continue and then it gives you another ad after you say no. I'm just going to speed this up. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Because... Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. If you want to see more of the, of this, pick a mode that you want me to play, I will play it. And, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And have a good day.